Today I'm going to show you how to make rose infused kokum butter, and we're going to need dry rose petals, almond oil, rose absolute or rose essential oil, pink mica, and of course our kokum butter. When we infuse oils, we like to do big batches so you can have extra oil for different recipes. So today we'll be using 8 ounces of almond oil and 1 cup of dry rose flowers. We're going to completely cover the rose petals with the almond oil. We have the oil and the roses infusing in a double boiler system at low heat. It will be there for at least 2 hours infusing, but 4 hours is ideal. So I've run the oil that was infused with the petals through a strainer, and there's the oil infused. It smells delicious. Those little speckles are leftover flowers. If they bother you or you don't want them, you will just strain it again through a coffee filter or similar cloth. And here we have 3/4 of a cup of the rose infused oil and 1 cup of cut up kokum butter. We have the kokum in our usual double boiler system, and then we're pouring in the oil and let it all melt. Here is our melted kokum butter and the rose infused oil. I will put it in the freezer for about half an hour until it is partly solid. So here it is. I took it out of the freezer. It was there for about an hour. So you want to leave it between 30 minutes to an hour until it mostly solidifies, but it is still soft to the touch. And you can tell from my fingerprints that it is soft to the touch. So now it is ready to be stirred or whipped. Before we add the optional essential oil and mica, I'm going to stir it up a little bit to make it creamy. I have added rose essential oil and the glittery pink mica. Look how nice and soft this is. It looks just like whipping cream. I love it. So kokum butter is a healing butter, great for dry skin. Almond oil and roses are completely soothing, so your skin will love you.